problem is that I was not able to find my gloves. I think I misplaced them or I lost them. If I lost them, I had to buy a new one. So it's not going to be a very long distance today. We are just going to cover like 350 kilometers totally. Here comes Freedom. మంచి స్టైలిష్ గా రెడీ అయ్యారా రే. So Vishnu just joins the ride. So we are going to go to a fuel station and then we will stop there. Oh. 700 rounds ఇచ్చేసేయండి. So far I have seen 3 dukes going on highway. Vishnu went ahead a little bit and is coming back.
So I didn't do the intro since morning. We are having a cup of coffee over here and we parked our bikes there. So hello guys, this is Neeraj Karthikeyan once again and welcome to my YouTube channel. And then over. So we are almost 45 kilometers over here and we have stopped in order to have a cup of coffee. I don't know how the coffee is going to taste, but yeah, the ride is going really well and I don't know how Vishnu is doing on his bike. It's very difficult. Coffee alagundra? The coffee is very hot. Okay, I'll see you again.
So now we are leaving. It's 7:30 exactly. We will be reaching the midpoint of destination very soon. चलो चलते हैं. See how many lorries there are. అమ్మా నాయనమ్మా ఏ అమ్మా ఒక్క ఆవిడ 3 బండ్లు ఆప్షన్ బామ్ అంటే 1 woman stop 3 vehicles. Okay. So this is the hotel that we were speaking about. It is not a hotel but it is kind of a food court. We will be having our breakfast here. We got a good parking man.
So we came here to the one restaurant and hey, it's a bola katra. Here so the food is very good here and it is also reasonable. Era ఆడ వెళ్ళిపోతాడు ఆడ పడకూడదు లాగులోనే. So this is a very good place and we will be stopping when we go to Hyderabad from next time. Not now, we are not going to Hyderabad.
Next time plan for a bedsheet also.
Bullakat.
ర్యాబిట్స్ స్నానం చేయించకూడదు.
ఏరా
చచ్చిపోతాయి.
అవునా?
పట్టుకోవడం కూడా గెలిచినట్టు పట్టుకోండి. చిన్నవాడు చచ్చిపోతాయి.
ఏవిరా after a small photo session we are going back. We'll take a picture for our bikes also.
నెల నడుస్తుంది రాదు అబ్బా చాలా గుర్తొచ్చాడు.
అమ్మయ్య, it smells fish everywhere. I don't know if I'm going to stay for a long time here. I will be puking out.
So we stopped by here and we were discussing about the Uppina movie locations and stuff as Vishnu asked, and Preetham is our official guide. He is guiding us today to go to Glass Bridge and Kakinada. So Kakinada is not just only famous for its kajak but also for its beach. Hey! I just should have fallen down. It is very sunny. Actually, it was not sunny in the morning, but it became very sunny like since last 1 hour. I'll show you.
అరే పాట వేసుకుంటావా జల్ పాట ఆడుతానేనా
మనకు అలాంటివి వద్దు.
మనోడు వేసుకుంటాడు
మనోడే వేసుకుంటాడు. It's a very beautiful beach. You can visit it when it is very cold, like in winter season.
Actually, the month of October is actually a best month to come and visit.
Seasonal month to come in here. Yeah. I'm feeling very hot. ముక్కలు రాలిపోతాయి. అసలుకే అన్ని రాళ్ళు ఉన్నాయి అంతే. రాలాల్సింది రాకూడదులే, అంత సీన్ లేదు. That is the Hope Island, which is not open yet. It was open 5 years ago, as Preetham said. Now they are closed on some reasons. There is Kakinada Port. So our next destination is going to be Glass Bridge. As Preetham said, it's going to be 6 or 7 kilometers from here. We will start as soon as possible because it is very sunny. We will get tanned and we cannot follow other remedies to become white again.
Bro, still you get tan?
Hey, నలుపే కానీ ట్యాన్ నలుపు కాదు నాకు. I have to carry my jacket and my bag. Preetham is carrying my helmet. Because of this COVID situations, people are not able to maintain this thing properly.
కనబడుచుంది.
అరే అదేంటి వెళ్ళడానికి అది
కాదురా బీచ్ లోకి వెళ్ళి టేక్ ఆఫ్.
ఊరుగావే. గ్లాస్ బ్రిడ్జ్, బట్ ద గ్లాస్ ఇస్ నాట్ క్లియర్.
3R100 and 1 is 88 cents. So this is the mall that we're going to go in. We will have some rest. We will have our lunch over here and then we will go back. So after we met few people, Preetham's dad, mom and our friends. So now we are returning back to Vizag. So Vishnu had to stop for a few. His result just started. So that's the reason. So it is almost looking like it is about to rain, and we are thinking that if it is raining, we will stop at some tea time or some tea stall so that we can escape this rainfall. तभी जो बादल बारिश है. I don't know how Vishnu is able to do it, but he is doing really great on RC. If it were me, I would have broken my spinal cord by now. The problem here is, if it rained in the morning, I am the only person who is having a raincoat. Of course, this jacket provided me a raincoat along with it when I bought it. Oh, the wind is very cool now.
So we are doing like 70 to 80 in between, like this speed on the highway. It is going well, but we are facing a little bump and something like that. He is having bump in. We got properly habituated because of that on the Dukes, but RC it is very difficult to do. These things are really saving us. To be clean, now we are having iced tea and something like that. We will be reaching there by 4 or 4:50 at max. It almost rained and I thought my action camera is going to be gone, and but the plan really worked well. We crossed the crowd. We crossed the cloud. The thing is, lorries. The thing is, my bike is doing it really great because it is giving for the first time in my life, it is giving a lot of mileage.
I think it is raining heavily on that side. Wow, what a wonderful climate. But no dogs this time.
I think I reached home right on time because it started raining just as I reached home. I'm like eating papaya right now, and the
thing about yesterday's ride is that we reached Vizag within 3.5 hours, and that is a great thing. So the two bikes also really performed very well. It's being the first time for Vishnu being for a long drive. He also made it really great, and the Rs also performed really well. The best part about the ride is that my Duke gave like 34 kilometer per liter. It's like never happened. Even in Goa trips, it gave like a maximum of 29 to 30. And mostly in the city also I get like 25 and something like that. But yesterday's trip really went really well. We also got a little bit wet. My action camera also performed really well. I don't know if my bike performed really because of my riding style or something like that. Please do comment if you have exceptional mileage memories with your KTM. So if you like the video, do like, comment, subscribe, and share my video for more. Peace. We'll meet in the next video.